what's up, and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to take a look at 3 variations of the Boxycharm April 2019 box. We're going to also look at the F.O.M.O box that will be available for anyone that's joining in April, because they're sold out. The April regular box is completely sold out. Before we get into what's in the boxes, I want to mention our April giveaway. It's from Jeffree Star, the Blood Sugar palette, along with his new Blue Blood palette. Whoever wins first prize will get the palette of her choice, either the red or the blue, along with Jeffree Star's new makeup sponges. Second place will get the other palette. So I hope everybody comments as many times as they want, and make sure to listen for those giveaway clues that I include throughout the videos. For this video, could you please put a blue and a red heart at the end of your comment? This will signify Jeffree Star's red blood sugar palette and his new blue blood palette. For anyone who's watching, you may wonder, what is Boxycharm? Boxycharm is a $21 a month beauty subscription. You'll receive a beauty box with 4 to 5 full-size products, beauty, makeup, and lifestyle type products. And these products will be based on your beauty quiz. The value of these items will be $100 or more. Once you become a charmer, you'll be eligible for things like Boxyluxe. Boxyluxe is a larger box that you can purchase every quarter. You will also be eligible for any limited edition boxes. For example, we have a skincare limited edition box that's coming out in May. Plus, you'll be eligible to attend any BCN sessions that Boxy puts on. They have these throughout the United States. Soon, on May 4th, they'll be having one in Los Angeles. At BC in Session, it's a way for Boxycharm to connect, educate, and bring people with a common interest together through this BC in Session. Ticket prices range from $100 for general admission to $300 for VIP access. For more info on BC in Session, you can go to BC in Session at boxycharm.com. I'll leave the link under the video in the description area of the video. If you join Boxycharm anytime in April, because the April regular box is sold out, you will receive the April F.O.M.O box. This is what's in the F.O.M.O box. One of these 2 palettes. Either the Suva Beauty Protege palette or Ace Beauty's Grandiose eyeshadow palette. You'll receive 2 Tatcha Luminous Dewy face masks, a set of Luxie detailed eye brushes, and gold glitter handles. You'll receive English Laundry No. 7 perfume and a Tarte lip paint. These are all just really good products. We've received most of these in boxes already. That's what you'll receive. Don't miss out on another month, because they may run out next month again, and you want to be able to get the regular boxes. Okay guys, let's take a look and see what's in that April 2019 box. These 3 products will be consistent in each box. Every box will have these 3 items. The first product that every box will have is the Pure Festival Pressed Pigments palette. This palette has 12 intensely pigmented shades. It's a limited edition palette. If you want this palette and you don't have Boxycharm, it will cost you $36. This palette has 5 mattes, 2 glitter shades, and 5 shimmers. The next product that will be in everyone's box is the Luxie Summer Days 3-piece brush set. This sells for $28. Introducing Luxie's Summer Days collection. This collection is a must-have for this festival season. It's a 3-piece collection that will be all you need to unleash your makeup creativity. Apply your favorite glitter and shadows with the Luxie 245 and the Luxie 209. Finish that up with applying your favorite blush and bronzer with the Luxie 512. This set is a 3-piece brush set that's pink and it turns to like ombres to a yellow brush. You get the Luxie 209, which is a larger shader brush. The Luxie 245 is a small shader brush, and the Luxie 512, which is a small contour brush. This little set is beautiful to have for this summer. The third product you receive is from the brand Artist Couture. It's a diamond glow powder that sells for $27. It's a natural finely milled loose powder, safe to use on the face, eyes, lips, and body. You'll get one of 2 shades. The first shade is Summer Haze. This is a new shade by Artist Couture, which is inspired by free-spirited summer fun. This shade has a light champagne pink base with shimmering multicolored pearls. The second color is called Purple Dream. This one is inspired by festival season. This shade has a light peach base with a magenta purple duochrome shift. They're both beautiful shades and they're both new to the collection. First, we'll go over our first variation. In the first variation, shown here, you'll receive the new Butter London Power Up All Day Wear Mascara. It's an 8-hour wear. It's an all-free, 100% safe for lash extensions mascara. It's a creamy, water-resistant formula with comfortable, flexible wear. It's got jojoba extract to soften and hydrate your lashes so that they appear thick and more volumized over time. It's a no clumping, smudging, or flaking mascara, and this mascara sells for $20. The next item on variation 1 could be one of 2 eyeliners. I'm not sure which one, but it's by Starlooks, and the one that I think it is the Starlooks Luxe Longwear Pen. It has luxurious pigmentation that lasts all day and provides the most glam looks you can possibly accomplish. And it has 5 shades. This one sells for $19. Or it could be the Starlooks eyeliner pen that sells for $16. It's a felt tip pen. It enhances all eye colors, shapes, and sizes. This exclusive, incomparable pro formula applies smoothly, dries quickly, and lasts all day and night. The first product in our second variation, which actually would be the 4th product, is a lip gloss by Steve Laurent. It sells for $22. This soon-to-be your go-to lip gloss from Steve Laurent is a luxury formula. It's lightweight and does not clump or stick. It's 1 part balm and 3 parts silk. It's a formula with a creamy, high-tech lip softening texture. And the last product in variation 2 is by Beauty for Real. It's the Finish Line Liner for $16. It's a 24/7 waterproof liquid eyeliner. It's highly pigmented, transfer resistant, Finish Line's advanced ultra precise brush tip with flexible bristles come together in a tight, crisp point, delivering any look precisely. This is paraben and cruelty free. Variation 3 starts off with Starlooks. It's either the Starlooks Longwear Eye Pencil for $19 or the Starlooks Eyeliner Pen for $16. And the last product in variation 3 is by Appeal Cosmetics. It's a holographic lip gloss for $21. This lip gloss comes in 2 shades, either Trendsetter or Posh. Works well alone or on top of your favorite lippy. It gives it a multi-dimensional argan infused shine. Now, you could also, on top of your holographic lip gloss, you could add the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder to have a different look. That's our 3 variations of the April 2019 Boxycharm box. Please remember that on Friday, April 5th, the charm room will reopen, and these are a few more products that they'll have in the charm room. I highly recommend the Luxie 732 Foundation Airbrush brush. This brush is very good. I have it and I really like it. If you didn't get this brush in your Boxyluxe, you may want to consider this. Before I get the Cover FX drops, I would check at Ulta. I think they're half price right now. If you do refer a friend right now, you get double the points. You'll receive 500 charms. Please remember to share and subscribe. And for the giveaway clue, please put a number between 150 and 2,500. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And until I see you next time, bye. Mwah.